In the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, welcome back to the Dr. Najam lectures. In this video, we will talk about how to perform the suturing or the stitches. And especially in this video, we will perform the simple stitches. So before performing this simple stitching, I would like to introduce you the instruments which we will use in the stitches. So first of all, this instrument is basically known as the tweezer, and this is basically known as the surgical scissor, and this is basically known as the surgical needle, and this is, which is the most important, this is basically known as the surgical needle holder. And now the question arises in our mind that how to hold this device. So first of all, you have to insert the thumb on the top side like this, and the second last finger in that surface on that side, and the third finger should be here and one finger should be here like this. So this is the exact way how to hold the surgical needle holder, and through this way you can lock this, unlock, lock this, unlock, lock this and unlock. Now we will perform the sutures or the stitches. This is basically known as the simple stitches. So to do this, first of all, you need to fix the needle into the needle holder, and after that just fix it, and after that take a thread, and from that side go from the down side of the needle and goes up like this, and just pull it like this. Go. After fixing the thread, just leave the thread like this and leave little bit thread here should be. And after that, take the tweezer, and remember one thing: if you hold the surgical needle holder like this and just rotate your hand like this, rotate your hand like this, just take a one bite like this and come to another side like this. After that, just unlock it and take it out like this. For the simple stitches, just remember one thing: leave only little thread end at the one side and just rotate 2 times, and after that take this thread and move like this. And once again rotate like this and make a knot like here. And after that just cut the extra thread and throw this way, covers the entire wound like this. Like for example, I performed for you this one. So this was all about the simple stitches. I hope that you like this video and do subscribe to Dr. Najam Lectures.